Welcome to the first Coffee Expo sa Quezon. Tara, let's go foodies. Let's go! Kape tayo! It's a Saturday and gumising tayo na maaga to join the first Coffee Summit and Expo sa Quezon.
Thank you for following us. Nakita ka na pag-follow.
Pwedeng mag-join ng schools and university, private individuals na gustong magtayo ng coffee shop, and yung gusto ng free taste from the different coffee shops and different suppliers. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Abot pa kayo until tomorrow! Let's go!
Bibigyan ka daw ni Banahaw View Deck na libre, kumanta ka lang.
Akin na lang isa.
Si ano yan, ma'am? Si Tayabas Heritage Channel.
Talaga po?
Siya yun.
I love Tayabas.
Hanapin niyo yung booth ng Johnny's kasi may promo sila. When you buy any of their coffees, meron kayong free 3-day tryout sa Anytime Fitness. So, yon, try nyo. And meron din silang buy one, take one. May libreng Americano.
Our time limit, 7 minutes. At functionals such as
Ano po yun?
Cold brew and coconut water with coconut pandan.
Ito po yun.
Gagawa ko.
Sige, ma'am. Go. May gagawin si ma'am.
Basic mixers
May suka din pala kayo.
will be available as needed. The cocktail must feature
Try niyo po yung suka namin.
variety process. Each contestant must create a cocktail that highlights the flavors of both coffee
ko yung ito.
and
Gusto
cacao,
ko din.
showcasing their skill in
Mamayang hapon po.
Eh! Anong oras po?
Ginagawa lang din sa
mechanics
last.
or guidelines for the coffee and cacao blend competition.
After lunch. Ito po yung coco.
We have
Coco foam.
4 competitors in total. Okay, so you get 2 watts. And John's,
Coco foam.
yung mga judges
Meron din kaming lamban
kung paano mag-perform the technicality of
Coffee
course,
maker.
the opportunity to taste the coffee and cacao blend.
Tayabasin. Opo, tayabasin. Tayabasin din po kami.
Si anong buto? Si Tayabas Heritage Channel.
Galing na kayo sa punta.
Maybe we can do
Hindi pa po.
support our
Yes, try nyo.
for this year's super artist for
Si
this
ano, si
first coffee summit and food expo.
Si Avila, si Kian, si Kian.
Sobrang dami namin na China food sa Junta Cafe. We tried their cocoa foam and then yung kanilang lambanog inspired na drink and nachos and also yung kanilang suka with their chicharon. At nag-explore din kami sa iba pang booths. Inulgi namin lahat ng booths and we had the opportunity to get to know their products. Ang dami nilang marketing strategies. Merong magpapalike, and then may games, and meron namang buy one, take one. So, when you buy a cookie, may libreng kape. So, mas magandang ma-experience nyo. Go na!
Hi, where are you from?
DL.
How's the experience?
Okay naman po.
Bakit nabili nyo dyan magkape? Dahil libre ang kape.
Dahil masarap po yung kape.
Balik din po kami
dito kahapon eh.
kahapon.
May binalikan talaga na.
Paano nyo nalaman yung Coffee Expo?
Our prof sa school po.
So you're studying what course?
HRS po.
That's why you're here.
Apo.
May gusto ba kayong batiin? Batiin nyo na.
Shoutout sa Day Charles 1C. Yun lang po. Punta po kayo sa Little Muddy.
Bakit Little Muddy yung pinopromote mo?
Masarap po yung mga coffee nila. Masarap. Maganda po yung mga.
Sige, extra na. Bye-bye na kayo. Dali.
Bye.
Pinapatikman na yung po yung lambareto namin.
We also have a second combination this afternoon, which is
So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo and definitely dapat nagutom. Pwede kayong pumunta ng gutom kasi sobrang dami ng options, sobrang daming marketing strategies, sobrang dami yung pwedeng mabili. So, punta na kayo sa Quezon Convention Center for the first Coffee Summit and Expo. That will be all. Ta-ta! Parang pwede siyang pambigay sa mababalik bayan.
Yung suka po ginagawa namin.